What's going on, everybody? It's Mikey B Cards. I'm sitting here on a Tuesday night, rainy night here in Michigan, and about to break 3 boxes of 2017 Select. I am super excited for this break. This is a personal, not doing anything online or anything. This is for me. Really love this product. It's been out a little over 2 weeks now. Getting harder to get and getting more expensive. So I got a good deal on these 3 and snagged them. And I'm excited to break them here for you guys. Get to watch me live and hopefully get some really big hits. That's what we're looking for. I've gotten some monsters out of this product, both for me and in some of my breaks. So a couple of packs kind of stuck down here. Now I'm making a mess. All right. So Select. Here we go. Full packs. Lots of great inserts, die cuts, prisms. Colors are awesome in this. Let's see if we can't get something huge. It's got Greg Olson, Curse, Cam Newton. There's kind of a wave refractor of Jonathan Allen, numbered to 99. Jabril Peppers. So I'll sleeve up all my numbered cards and top load everything else that's a hit. So nothing to write home about in that pack. Let's see what we get here. Pack number 2. DJ, Darbo, Beasley, Martavius Bryant, and Cooper Rush. So it's just a regular prism there for Bryant. There are Premier and you can see right there, Premier level. I believe those are like a couple of box, and then you can also get field level, which is, there's 2 a box in those. So we have, that's just a filler card here. So Mixon, Cooper, nice 2 rookies right off the bat. Buck Allen. Our filler card is hiding a James Conner. I don't know what you call this. I call it the checkerboard prism. I know that's not right, but that's what I like to call it. That's 7 of 10 on James Conner. Nice. That is really nice. So I didn't know that they were 7 of 10. I thought they were higher numbered for the checkerboard, but really sweet. So LT Lawrence Taylor behind that. All right, so 2 nice numbered cards. No hits yet. Guess that means we're saving something huge for the end. McCaffrey, Mariota, Jordan Lewis. Oh, we do have a hit there. I almost blew right by. It must be an auto. So let's slow roll a little bit. We got Jordan Lewis. And what could be an auto card here? MB. I'm not really sure who MB might be. San Francisco, Matt Breida. And that is 31 of 49. Nice. Really cool kind of blue prism. Matt Breida auto. Nice card. Out of 49. Okay. So same sort of thing. Not huge hits, but nice cards all the same. Let's see if we can't keep going here. Barnett, Eli, Isaiah Crowell, Kareem Hunt. Just a regular prism. Then your Premier level. James Harrison. I'll go back through in the end. I'll show you guys the field level. It's a refractor. It's just got a little different writing on the back. Jeffries, Bortles, Hassan Reddick. Okay, got a wave refractor here of AP. Cardinals uniform. Shady McCoy, premium level. AP is out of 199. So I just love, once again, love what Select did with the colors, the refractors in the set. I mean, everything about this set is just so cool. There's a ton of really great cards that are low numbered. You know, it's just a lot of really nice stuff. A lot of stuff to like in here. So we have a hit in here. So let's see what we have. We got Hines Ward, Marvin Jones Jr., Deshaun, Zeke, nice card. And then our hit is out of 49, so 40 out of 49. JMCM, not really sure what we got here. McCaffrey, nice. McCaffrey to 49. Look at that, RPA, Christian McCaffrey. Sweet. I don't have very much of his stuff right now. I've sold it all. So what a cool card to land. Christian McCaffrey, RPA, 40 of 49. Nice hit. Super nice hit. Let's keep it rolling. Always good to get another McCaffrey in the collection. Don't have a lot of him, don't have a lot of Cooper Kupp. So, let's see what we can find. Eddie, Vic, Gates, Cutler, Cam Newton. Okay, we got 4 packs left of box 1. Nice McCaffrey RPA. Let's see what else. Should have a couple more hits. Carl, Kuechly, Hearns, Jamal Williams. Oh, my pile just disintegrated. These are very slick cards, so let's see. That's our thickest one, so we'll save that pack for last. Any one of these could have it. This one has a die cut, so that could be something. We got an Ed Reed, Watson, rookie. Check the back. Oh, just a normal Watson. Nice. Mike Evans, Matty Ice, and then our die cut is blue, so I think that's out of 49. Let's see who we got here. Dallas Cowboys, Emmitt Smith. Emmitt Smith die cut, and that is out of 99. 53 out of 99 for Emmitt Smith. That's a premier level. Nice die cut of a Hall of Famer. Tremendous running back. Okay, 2 more packs on box 1. Tyrod, Crabtree, Elway, Stephon Diggs, blue. That is number 2/149. I think he's got a bright future. Hopefully they can keep a good quarterback for him. All right, last pack, guys. I think we should have a hit in here. Yeah, it looks like we do. Okay. Vic, Aaron Jones, P. Ryan, Karis McKinley, and our hit is out of 49. Isaiah Crowell of your Brownies. Nice. 2-color patch, Isaiah Crowell out of 49. Hit for the Brownies. So if I had to rate that box out of 10, I'd say it's about maybe a 3 or a 4. I mean, the McCaffrey is a really cool card out of 49, but I would say compared to a lot of boxes I've opened of Select, this one was kind of ho-hum. So I do want to show you guys something. Let me see if I can find it here. So we saw the Premier level and how those are kind of prismed. So there's my field level. So you can see kind of a slight refractor look there for the field level. So field levels are 1 in every 6 packs. So if you get a field level of like a rookie or something like that, it's not a bad card. I mean, it's not a hit or anything, but you could do worse. Box 2. I think we have nowhere to go but up. It was a good box, a good primer. We warmed up a little bit. But now we're ready for the big dog. So let's see what we can get here, guys. We are ready for the big dog. All right. Box 2. Here we go. Let's pull some heat. Olsen, Curse, Cam Chancellor, Aaron Jones. There's a rookie out of 149. Nice card. Sweet running back for Green Bay. I think he's going to have a big year next year. He's got to compete with Jamal Williams for touches, but could be really, really solid. All right. Darbo, McCaffrey, rookie. Mariota, we got Beasley. So Vic, there's just kind of a ho-hum pack there. Nothing special in it. hits, looking for die cuts, looking for low numbers. Deshaun. Skittles, we do have a hit in this one. So Skittles, show me a good hit. It's upside down. Let's see what we got. Oh, no, that is not the kind of hit that we're looking for. But Skittles is a field level. 150 points. I hope anyone didn't see that point thing. I will claim those points before I post this. So if you did catch that serial number and you're pausing your screen, it's too late. All right. Barnett, Eli, Garoppolo. We do have a checkerboard. Let's see who we got here. Oh, it's a rookie. Jordan Lewis of the Cowboys. Checkerboard refractor. To 75. Nice. So I think the bummer of those Panini points is I'm fairly sure that that takes the place of a hit. And that sucks. It will not suck if my other hits are huge, but I reserve judgment. We have more than half a box to go. As of right now, it sucks. Mixon, Cup, so nice. Eddie Jackson, Sean McCoy, nothing special there. All right, moving on. Okay, got an interesting card back here. We got Cam, Evans, Eifert, Dan Marino laces out, and a wave refractor of Brandon Cooks. That's out of 199. Okay, I still haven't seen a die cut or anything yet. Still should have 2 hits. Johnson, Beasley, Marshawn, another wave refractor. This one's of another potential Hall of Famer, Ed Reed, out of 149. All right, got half a box and need to be wowed. That one's kind of thick. Actually, these are almost all kind of thick, so this is so missing. I always like to try to save the big hits for last, but you know what? Never know if it's going to be a hit or if it's going to be cardboard like that. So, Buck Allen, Aaron Jones, P. Ryan, Gerald Everett, rookie. That's out of, it's me throwing it. That's out of 49. So, nice card there. Kind of like the copper refractor. Gerald Everett. Out of 49. Two hits to go. Who is it going to be? Is this one or is this more cardboard? This is a hit. All right. James Harrison, Tyrod, Crabtree, Brian Dawkins, and our hit. Let's see a low number here. It's out of 99. Okay. Danny Woodhead. Interesting. For the Ravens. Danny Woodhead patch card. Don't really have much to say about that. Interesting card. Interesting card, interesting player. Not anything I'm going to jump up and down for, but patch card's patch card. And I don't have any other Woodhead, so you know what? I don't know. Who knows? Maybe someone out there really likes him, and I'll find that person and see if I can't hook him up. Eddie Jackson, Beasley. Looks like we have an auto card here. So let's squeeze that out behind our work done. Let's see some low numbers. CC. I don't know who CC is. Seahawks, Chris Carson, right? Yeah, out of 199. Cool looking card. Really cool looking card. He's going to be their starter next year. Pretty high expectations on him. So, do not have anything of him. So, that's a nice little autograph card. Save that one for last. Alright. Alan Hearn. think we got a hit. Is this one of those redemptions? Yes, sweet, congratulations. It is a redemption. Let's look at the front. XRC redemption. Let's see what we get here. So if you're not familiar, this is going to be a card for one of the upcoming draft players. Let's see who we get. I'd love to get a running back 1, because that's definitely going to be Barkley, and I would love to get one of his cards early. So let's see who we got. Super stoked I got one of these. So just a prize redemption, so nothing too crazy. And it's QB3. QB3 prize redemption. All right. So I will get that scratched off and sent off to Panini. QB3, let's see. I'm thinking Rosen and Denard will probably be the first 2 to go. So maybe Baker Mayfield? I mean, I don't know. Cool. That's my first one of those. So nice. There, you get those redemptions 1 every 4 boxes. So it's nice to pull one. I did pull one for some breaks that I did over the weekend, but I did not win them. Luke Kuechly, Gates, and Jordy Nelson. So that was box 2. Box 2 has some intriguing stuff in it, but once again, nothing I'm jumping up and down for yet. So this is our last box of the evening. Let's go out with a bang. Okay, last box to select. Got a die cut there. So could we already be starting off strong? TJ Watt rookie. Premier level. Macklin Hunt. Okay. Purple refractor. Mark Brunell, old school Jags to 75. All right, Mark Brunell. Die cut, nice card. Not my first choice of players and that I want to get in a die cut, but hey, never know. Might be some Mark Brunell fans out there. If you are, shout out to me, man. All right, let's see what we got here. Dalvin Cook, rookie. Brady. Carlos Henderson, rookie. This should be numbered. Blue refractor, 149. Card 80. Moving on. Brian Cutler. Oh, that's nice. Gurley. Trubisky. Just a regular kind of halo refractor. Nice card. This pack feels a little thicker, so maybe we got a hit or some cardboard. Let's see what we got. Got the cardboard. Thomas, Rivers, Keenan. Oh, there you go. Tie-dye prism. Von Miller. Very neat. I thought these tie-dyes are so cool. Low numbered, 6 of 25. Von Miller. Just needed to add an autograph to that card. Would have been super sweet. But anytime you get a low number, great player. That's awesome. Very cool card. That guy. Would love to have Von Miller on my team. That's all I can say. He's a beast. I think we got a hit here. Yep, it looks like a redemption. Thurman Thomas, Switzer, Benjamin, Cooper. It is a redemption, so let's take our premier level Cooper and see what we get here. So it's football. It's select. Jumbo rookie signature swatches prism. Wow, it's a lot. So I think that's a not just a rookie card, but an RPA basically prism. So that's a pretty low number, and I don't know what that's out of. But let's see who we get here. Card number 4. DeShone Kizer. DeShone Kizer. So, redemption, cool card, meh player. Once again, redemption takes the spot of a hit. So Juju, Kendall, Montgomery. Dez, not numbered, Derek Carr. This one feels thick. Let's see what we get here. It's not cardboard. That's good. All right. Got Dak, Lamar Miller, Curtis Samuel, Gronk. Okay, so out of 199. Card 9 out of 199. Samaje Perine. So just a patch card. Pretty cool. I do like the hit cards in these boxes. They're so nice. Just look cool. I mean, it's $1.99. It's just a red napkin, but so once again, nothing that's like earth-shattering, but still pretty neat. Select product, man. I'm telling you, good stuff. Ertz, Abdullah. So ho-hum pack there. 4 left, guys. 4 left. Can we get a big hit? Peterman, Williams, McCaffrey. There's a wave refractor of C.J. Anderson, number to 199. All these are about the same, so we're just gonna open them up, see what we get. Hopefully one more hit. Everett, Ajayi, Conley, Roethlisberger, checkerboard refractor, as I call it. Love that jersey. That's the Color Rush jerseys, the all black ones that they did on Thursday Night Football. 26/75. Nice card of Big Ben. Get the top loader here. Okay, last 2. Drum roll. Ramsey, Hilton, Baldwin, Westbrook, and Freeman. All right, last pack. Feels thick. Okay, we do have a hit here. Yes, yep, we do have a hit. All right. Brunell, Beathard, Godwin, Mitchell. I needed Mitch to be the next card. All right, let's see what we got here. Got something that's upside down. D.E. What do you guys think? D.D. Westbrook, maybe? Yeah, D.D. Westbrook, wide receiver, 188 of 199. RPA, D.D. Westbrook. Nice signature. Very cool card. There you guys have it. Got some hits. 150 points. Got a redemption. 2 of them, actually. One's the QB number 3. Deshaun Kaiser, rookie signature swatch, Prism. And then a bunch of number cards. Thanks for watching, guys. We're going to do this again here next week. Got 3 more boxes to select coming in. So see you guys then. We'll do some more videos. Have a good night.